Hey everyone, welcome to my walkthrough video. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the hottest topics in digital marketing right now, AI Search Optimization. With over 200 plus clients managed here at Web Wonks, one of the most common questions we've recently received is, how can we improve visibilities in AI search? AI search is changing the way customers discover business online. More people are more asking AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Google AI Overview for recommendations instead of typing traditional search queries. Questions like, who is the best dentist near me? What is the best hotel in Queenstown? Which company has the best reviews? What agency is recommended for ICO? These have become extremely common questions recently. And we've seen a major shift in how business appear in AI-generated search results. So, what should businesses focus on now? To improve visibility for AEO, Answer Engine Optimization, and GEO, Generative Engine Optimization, businesses need to focus on more than just traditional SEO. Authority scores, trust, structured contents, reviews, and mentions across platforms are the key factors that help you appear in AI search engines. AI platforms look for trusted information sources. They analyze your website content, business profile, customer reviews, social mentions, Reddit discussions, YouTube contents, and structured data to decide whether your business should be recommended or not. Instead of focusing only on rankings, businesses now need to focus more on becoming a trusted answer source. What are those trendy questions customers ask AI? Such as, best restaurants near me, most trusted accountant in Auckland, top-rated roofing companies, best SEO agency for small and medium-sized business. Which business has the best reviews? Recommended hotels in Queenstown. Most affordable lawyers with good reviews. AI tools are pulling information from multiple sources to generate answers instantly. That means your online presence must be consistent, optimized, and trustworthy across every channel. What we can do for our clients? Well, it's a long journey to battle. We have 6 steps that we would like to offer to our client. Step 1, website AI inspection. We usually start with a full AI optimization inspection for your website, including meta title, meta descriptions, H tags, content structure, internal linking. We review your website structure to ensure AI systems can clearly understand your business, your service, and your expertise. Second step, schema data and snippets. We also inspect your schema data and rich snippets. Structured data helps search engine and AI tools better interpret your business information, reviews, services, FAQs, and locations. Step 3, Google Business Profile Optimization. We optimize your Google Business Profile with strategic business posts, updated service content, and AI-friendly descriptions. We also review keywords opportunities that customers may naturally use in reviews and searches. Step 4, YouTube, Reddit, and Wikipedia signals. AI systems increasingly reference external platforms like YouTube, Reddit, forums, and any authoritative sources. We review your YouTube optimization opportunity, keywords relevance, community discussions, and brand mentions that will strengthen your authority signals online. Step number 5, website contents enhancement. We review and improve your website contents, including the FAQ pages, blog articles, testimonials, and service pages, etc. This helps your business answer the exact questions customers are asking AI tools. Last one but not least, indexing and AI visibility report. Once optimization is completed, we assist with indexing and visibility improvements. We also generate a professional AI optimization inspection report using advanced paid tool to identify opportunities and benchmark your online presence. Why does matter now? This is not just future marketing. This is already happening now. Businesses that adapt early to AI search optimization will have a major advantage in visibility, authority, and customer trust. Traditional SEO is still important, but AI optimization is becoming the next layer businesses cannot ignore. If you would like to understand how your business currently performs in AI search engine, we can prepare a full AI optimization inspection report for you. This includes the website analysis, business profile optimization opportunities, structured data review, and AI visibility recommendations. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful, and we look forward to helping your business become more visible in AI search era. Bye.